Hi everyone, Izumi here. Today I want to show you how to add your vehicles and manage them on Bereev. So the first thing you want to do is go to Categories on your navigation bar, look for Assets, let's click on that, and on top here you will see the option to add your vehicles. So let's click on that. Alright, and let's click on Add Vehicle. Okay, so you want to start by defining what brand and model this vehicle is. So let's go ahead and do that. And next, pick what type of vehicle this is. So this is a car. Your license plate. Followed by the ownership. So if it's yours, just put own, it's finance. So optional, you can actually add the road tax expiry date. So this will remind you when you need to renew your insurance and road tax. So let's do that. So mine is expiring on 2022 January 19. You can also specify where this vehicle is parked or where it's located. And if you have any other notes, you can put them right here. If not, you can just skip it. So review all the information that you put in, and when you're ready, click on Next. Okay, so this part here is where you can add any important documents. If you have your road tax or your JPJ grant, your JPJ ownership or your grant, or if you have any other documents like a motor insurance or whatever your family needs to know, you can actually attach them here. Let's just say I want to attach my insurance. Okay, that's it. And when I'm ready, I just click on Add. Alright, that's it. So our car has now been added under the vehicles. If you have any other vehicles, your motorbike, your scooter or whatever it is, you can add them right here. So if you want to return to this category from home, you just go to Categories, find for Assets, and under Vehicles, you should be able to see the car or the vehicles that you have added. If you want to edit it, just click on it, and you can click this button right here that says Edit. Or if you want to remove this particular car, you can go down to the bottom and there's a button to remove. Alright guys, that's it. Adding your vehicles on Bereev is super easy. So this is very important because one day when you're no longer around and someone inherits your vehicles, they will need to understand and know how to care for and maintain for those vehicles. So that's it from me today. I'll be back again soon with another easy tutorial on how to use Bereev. Bye bye.